Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I wanted to show you some piece of the code that works when you have to wait for sometime in some seconds, so like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So I had used this in one of my script wherein I was calling the first batch class, and then after the wait of say 10 seconds I'm calling the second one, because it's the same apex class which is kind of overloaded, which calls uh, a particular record type recursively. So that's why I wanted a gap of say 10 seconds, because at any point of time you can have only 5 batch class running, so I don't want any conflict in that. So I tried this, so which is nothing but I'm just storing the start time and you know adding it to adding 10 seconds to that, and then doing the while loop. So basically this just keep on executing until this time or this condition is false, and then it goes to call the second batch apex. So I use it and it worked for me, but one thing we have to be careful is that you're going to hit the CPU time, a high time, and also the too many script statements. That is also one of the risks, but you have to keep this number as low as possible. So let's try this for 10 seconds, and this executes for 10 seconds at least, because there is no other statement in this script. Let's see after this is complete. Okay, so here you can see wait start time is 1:31:14 and wait end time is 1:31:24. And one more thing to note is the CPU time, it's almost hitting the limit, I mean more than 50%, that you have to be careful, as I said. Let's try something like 5 seconds here. Okay, and let's check the CPU time. We'll wait for 5 seconds and then go to debug log. Okay, so you can see the time gap 31:56 and 32:01. Now you can see the CPU time, it's almost half, like 2984, almost 3000 I would say. So it's better to keep this number as low as possible, and you can call your batch class in bit after that. First one wait for some 5 seconds and then call this one, and make sure your class from where you are calling is also a smaller one, not the one which has too many scripts in it, because that way you're going to hit the you know script execution statement error. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.